Welcome to guided meditation practice. Find yourself a comfortable and quiet place to sit and meditate for a few minutes. Once you're ready, sit in any comfortable position. You can sit cross-legged. You can open your legs slightly wider. You can also sit by the wall if you think sitting long in this position might not be convenient for you. So find the most appropriate position for yourself to start this practice. Once you're ready, make sure your spine is long, so you're not rounding your spine and sitting. Your shoulders are relaxed away from your ears. Your head, neck, chin relax. You can gently rest your hands on your knees and let your eyes be closed or soften your eye gaze. And then slowly start to connect with yourself and disconnect with everything else. Whatever you were doing before this practice, whatever you want to do after this practice. Just take next few minutes for yourself. So the easiest way to connect with yourself is to connect with your breath. So just get aware of your breath. Just breathe naturally without making any change to your breath. Just breathe in and out through your nose. Breathe at your natural pace. Just breathe in and out through your nose. Once your breath is relaxed, gently draw your attention to your body. Just scan through your body. Observe how you're feeling today. Look for any discomfort, any stiffness. Scan through your body from head to toe, building in practice of awareness. Let's slowly start to make our breath even. So just breathe in through your nose on the count of 4 and breathe out through your nose on the count of 4. So for first few seconds I will count with you and then I will leave you to practice on your own, making your breath even. So breathe in to the count of 4 and breathe out to the count of 4. Breathe in, 4, 3, 2, 1 and breathe out, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now keep going like this. You can count it in your head, breathing in to the count of 4 and breathing out to the count of 4. Continue for a few more rounds. If you feel distracted, just keep getting your mind back to your breath. Continue making your breath even. Now Let's make our breath deeper. So just breathe in to the count of 6 and breathe out to the count of 8. Okay, so let me guide you. Breathe in 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and breathe out 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and breathe out 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now just do it on your own, breathing in to the count of 6 and breathe out to the count of 8. If you've been meditating for some time, you can do it without counting as well. Just take a deep breath in and then breathe out, lengthen your exhalation, exhaling longer than your inhalation. So continue breathing in and out, taking a deep breath in and exhale longer than your inhalation. You can count or not count. Continue breathing in and out. If your mind starts to wander around, just get your mind back to your breath. Continue breathing. Few more. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. 2 more. Breathe in and breathe out. 1 more. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Just take a pause. Observe how you feel after this short breathing and awareness practice. Just observe without any judgment. And then you slowly take one hand on your heart and one hand on your gut. Now breathe in through your nose, expand your stomach. Make sure you're still sitting long, your body is relaxed. And breathe out through your nose, take your stomach in. Continue like this, breathe in to expand your stomach. And breathe out to take your stomach in. Breathe in through your nose, expand your stomach. Breathe out through your nose, take your stomach in. Breathe in through your nose, expand your stomach. And breathe out through your nose, take your stomach in. Continue at your own pace now. Continue to breathe in through your nose, expand your stomach. And breathe out through your nose, take your stomach in. If you feel distracted, just keep getting your mind back to your breath. It's really normal for us to lose the focus. So just keep getting your mind back to your breath. Continue breathing in through your nose, expand your stomach. Breathing out through your nose, take your stomach in. Breathe in, expand. Breathe out, contract. 2 more like this. Breathe in, expand. Breathe out, contract. 1 more. Breathe in through your nose, expand your stomach. Breathe out through your nose, take your stomach in. Now get your stomach to neutral position. You can release your hands. Make sure your body is relaxed. You're sitting long. Your shoulders are relaxed. Now sitting quietly for a few seconds. Just breathe naturally at your own pace. And just continue to get your mind back to your breath. If you get any thoughts that's distracting you in your practice, just try to keep your thoughts at the back of your mind. It's pretty normal to have thoughts in our mind, but it's our choice whether we want to interact with our thoughts or not. So don't judge yourself if you feel distracted. Just get your mind back to your breath, and just any thought, any task that you have in your mind right now, just keep it at the back of your mind. Just focus on breathing. Continue to breathe in and out through your nose. We'll slowly prepare ourselves to open our eyes. Before we do that, let's take 3 deep breaths together. So breathe in through your nose, take a deep breath in, and think of anything positive when you do that. Breathe in. Anything positive, any positive information, any positive thought, just breathe in. And breathe out to let go of anything negative that you want to just let go. Just let go. Breathe out. Breathe in, create space within you. Just breathe in, creating space for anything you wish to. Breathe in. And breathe out to let go of anything that's blocking you to be your best today. Just breathe out. Just let go of any blockages, any negative energies. Just let go. Breathe out. Breathe in peace within you. And breathe out peace for everyone. So I will end the practice here. If you feel like sitting and meditating for slightly longer time, please feel free to do so. Okay, if you're ready to end the practice, then you gently rub your palms and feel the warmth of your palms gently on your eyes, on your arms, on your stomach, on your legs, taking in all the positive energy from today's practice. Take your hands at the heart center in prayer position, breathing in through your nose, breathing out through your mouth. Close your mouth, open your eyes gently. We are done with our today's practice. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this session. I will see you again. Namaste.